Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sync audio in VLC Media Player step by step. If the sound is playing before or after the video, don't worry. VLC includes a built-in feature that lets you fix audio delay in just a few moments. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video where you're experiencing the audio sync issue. Watch the video for a few seconds to determine whether the audio is ahead of the video or lagging behind. This will help you know which adjustment to make. Next, click the Tools menu at the top of the window and select Track Synchronization. In the window that opens, look for the Audio Track Synchronization option. Here, you can enter a positive or negative delay value, depending on whether you need the audio to play earlier or later. Yeah, you may need to test a few different values before everything lines up perfectly. You can also use VLC's keyboard shortcuts to adjust the audio delay while the video is playing, making it easier to fine-tune the timing without opening additional menus. I mean, that's often the quickest method when you're trying to find the perfect sync. After making your adjustment, continue playing the video and check whether the voices now match the on-screen action. If needed, repeat the process with small changes until the audio and video are fully synchronized. Keep in mind that these adjustments usually apply only during the current playback session. If the original video file has a permanent sync problem, you'll need to edit or convert the file using additional tools, and that's it. You now know how to sync audio in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.